Well, the spam, me hear that, you know, when you go to Riverside, here, but the fisherman them know that too, but the other thing about that, me not even worry about that now, because once you bless it, and you know, you intentionally test the Lord, you check your, my policy that.